Hi guys, talking about random here. This is the East China little canoe and kayak launch, as you can see. I'll zoom in here a little bit so you can see. It tells you how to launch your canoe or your kayak. It's pretty cool. This is in East China, Michigan. This is the Belle River. This is used quite a bit actually. It's not too bad out today. Clouds are gray right now. It was sunny earlier. So it's a nice little river you can come and take a canoe if you guys like to canoe and stuff. I'm not quite sure how far the river goes, but it goes a pretty good, decent ways. I'll back up here so you guys can see the canoe launch. I'll zoom over this way a little bit. I'll do a little bit of a zoom around. This is a nice little neighborhood over here. This canoe launch is free. It is in St. Clair County, East China, Michigan. Water's not all that great, but you know, I guess that's anywhere you go. A little marshy down or some algae there. A little bit of stuff there. If you guys do like my channel, it's Kayak at Random on YouTube.com. Always looking for more subscribers. Appreciate everything that you guys do when you look at my channel. Please leave some comments. Try to be nice though, please, because nobody likes haters, of course. But everybody has the right to say what they want to, though, right? And this is looking up the river. On the other side, there are some nice houses over there on the other side. Some beautiful trees there. It's really cool in the fall time when you see these trees. Got some beautiful fall colors. I've done a video over here before. I'm just coming back here right now. It's nice and cool out. It's about, right now it's probably like 76 degrees out or so. But other than that, it's pretty good. Everybody's enjoying be mask free, some of you guys, but you know, just because you're vaccinated doesn't mean you can't still catch it. I myself, I'm not vaccinated, but I did get the monoclonal stuff, but other than that, whatever they call it. So just be careful out there, people. Enjoy the day, have fun, and do what you can to stay safe. If you guys like my channel, Kayak at Random at YouTube.com. Appreciate you for watching. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.